In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication on a Slack workspace. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Setting up two-factor authentication, or 2FA as it's commonly known, is a crucial step in securing your workspace. It adds an extra layer of protection to your Slack account by requiring not just your password, but also a code from your phone. So let's jump right into it. The first step is to open your workspace settings. You can do this either using the Slack desktop app or a web browser. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar of the interface. You'll see an option labeled Admin. Click on that and then go ahead and select Workspace Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where all the magic happens. Now, once the Settings page loads, we need to go to the Authentication Hub. Look for the Authentication tab at the top of the page and click on it. This is where you'll find all the options related to login security and access restrictions. It's like the control center for your workspace's security. Next, it's time to configure the two-factor authentication. When you're in the Authentication tab, locate the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication. Click on it, and you'll be guided through a setup wizard. This wizard will guide you through the necessary steps to enable 2FA for your workspace. Following that, you'll need to confirm and enforce your settings. Slack will provide on-screen instructions to help you decide how strictly you want to enforce two-factor authentication. Once you've made your choice, don't forget to confirm and save those changes. It's important to note that once this setting is saved, every member of your workspace will be required to link an authenticator app or input a phone number the very next time they sign in. Now, a quick tip for admins. Give your team a heads up before enforcing two-factor authentication. When you implement this setting, the next time users log into Slack, they'll be immediately prompted to complete the setup process. It's definitely a good idea to post an announcement in a general channel a day in advance, letting everyone know that changes are coming. This way, your team won't be locked out or interrupted during busy work hours. Finally, after saving the settings, take a moment to verify that the setup is in place. You can do this by reloading your page or simply returning to the Authentication tab. Check to see if the status of the two-factor authentication shows as active. This little step can save you from unforeseen issues down the road. And that's it. You've successfully set up two-factor authentication for your Slack workspace. With 2FA enabled, you've taken a significant step toward enhancing the security of your workspace, making it much harder for anyone unauthorized to gain access. Thanks for following along today, and remember, keeping your workspace secure is an ongoing process. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more tips and tricks like this. See you in the next one.